Okay, so part two. We're coming into the bowling alley, or what used to be the bowling alley, but it's so dark. So I hope you can see that there. Can't find any bowling shit, but walking along the bowling alley. And that was kind of like a reception area. Reception area there. I don't know what all that black shit is on for. Anyway, back towards bowling alley, and ooh, fridges. Back round here to the staircase, and that's us. So I'm back up the stairs. Say bye. Bye.